Go. Alright. This is Kayla. That's Kayla. And that's Brooklyn. Kayla is doing Brooklyn's makeup.
Creep.
Don't do that. Alright, we're gonna go find Cooper. Hey Cooper, what are you doing? Hey, talking to you. Nothing. What, sir?
Nothing new on me.
What? Say hi. Say hi.
Hello.
Look at it and say hi.
Hello.
Thank you. Oh. Alright, let's go see what Kayla's making. I'm coming. Alright, ready? Go. You pick. I'm still putting this on YouTube.
Did I do it to you?
Nope. I have makeup on. Somewhat.
Well, Kayla did. Which color?
White and blue. All of them. Kelsey?
Yes, ma'am?
What did you get me into?
Done.
Finished product. Alright. We're signing out later.
That was awesome.